It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
Today we're finding ourselves at the Royal Botanical Gardens. So it's September, so obviously the flowers now, they're kind of naked. But it's a nice quiet place. Come for a hike, walk, spend the day. Yeah, let's go explore a little bit and we'll see.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
I will have to do a little bit more research on these gardens, because from what it looks like, every single tree is tagged. But definitely we'll have to revisit it in the spring where all the flowers and everything are blooming.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
So far it has been a pretty nice walk. It's a nice little getaway from the city and nearby the city, of course. It definitely has many different trails that you can take. Now which way we will go? Let's go to Bulls Point Lookout and then we take the Marshall Walk. I guess it goes both ways. Yeah, it definitely was a much longer hike than I thought it would be. Oh well, but we're almost there. It says the ancestors of the Mississaugas of the Credit migrated in southern Ontario from the north shore of Lake Huron in the late 17th century. Upon their arrival, the Mississaugas exercised sovereignty over 3.9 million acres of land, water, and resources in their new territory. guess this is it for this hike. Definitely have to come back next spring when the flowers are blooming. And yeah, right now it's only 3 o'clock, so I'm just trying to think, where else can I go? What else can I do? Anyways, let's get on the road and we'll see from there. As I was riding on this side back road, I noticed a falls. So I'm going to check it out now. I had to go find parking because you're not allowed to park on the side of the road. So let's go check it out. Definitely, I think that's a beautiful falls. Just down by the lake, having a little relaxing walk. The day turned out to be not so bad after all. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Till the next episode, peace and love.